Oh, my gosh. He likes it.
Can I get another bite? Do you like it or not? I can't tell. Right? You like it enough to open your mouth? Mmm. Bleh. You open your mouth for it. Yeah, is it good stuff?
Ew.
No? Open your mouth. There you go.
That smells good.
Oh, it smells good. Just don't like the taste of it. Babies do. Bite.